Want to learn how to build a powerful weather app in SwiftUI? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a weather app that pulls real-time data, displays a sleek 5-day weather forecast. This is perfect for iOS developers looking to level up their skills. So this is the actual app. As you can see, you can type in any city. I just typed in Miami in advance. If I click on the button, Get Weather, it gets the weather for today in Miami, and it also gets the 5-day weather forecast for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with actual temperatures. And it also shows if it's going to be light rain, cloudy, clear sky, broken clouds, overcast, or light rain. Just to show you that it works, I'll enter another city, Karachi. Very hot city, 29 degrees. Full sun with a few clouds. And that's the weather forecast for the remaining 5 days. Also, I'll enter London. As you can see, London is much cooler, it's much colder. Then finally, I'll enter another hot city, which is Lagos. 36 degrees, very hot. So this is the application that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will continue to implement the weather view model to create the weather icon function, and this will determine which icon to use based on the temperature. Function or func get weather icon for temp, double condition string which is an optional, humidity, int, wind speed, which is double, and then the function will return a string that represents the icon or image that we want to be displayed for that temperature. If temp is more than 25, so if the temperature more than 25, return sun.max.fill, which is the hot temperature. Else, if temp is less than 1, return snowflake. which is a cold temperature or very cold temperature. Else, if let condition is equal to condition, on line 90, condition should be a lower c. So what we're doing now, we're checking for specific weather conditions, such as rain, snow, or thunderstorm. Switch condition let's convert it to lowercase, case, rain, return cloud rain.fill. On line 99, we need to add the colon. Case, snow, return snowflake. Case, thunderstorm, return cloud dot bolt dot rain dot fill. Case, clear, return sun dot max dot fill. Report, and then we just break out the condition. After lines 110, we enter the following: if let humidity equal to humidity is more than 80, return cloud dot heavy rain dot fill. If let wind speed equals wind speed more than 15, return wind, return cloud dot fill. compile it. The next thing we need to do after line 122 is to create another function called getDayOfTheWeek. Func get day of week from date day string that formatter equals date formatter dot date format equals EEE. So that will extract the weekday. So if it's Monday, it will extract MON. So the 3 letters within the week. Tuesday, TUE. Return formatter dot string from date. So there shouldn't be a colon after from. Just compile it again. In next week's tutorial, we will implement the search bar view. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.